And here we are, Savage XL on 4S. Oof. On 4S, this is already an animal. My goodness. Whoops. Okay, we're all good. It was only a soft touch. My God. This is 4S. It's already a beast. Alright, man. This thing's nuts. Thing's off its face, and that's on only on 4S. I can't stop smiling. This truck's unreal. Oh my God. It just plows through everything. It doesn't care. Tell you what, it actually handles pretty well too. Whoop. I reckon the only thing I'm noticing is probably the front diff could be a little bit thicker with the oil. I don't know what oil, or if it only come with grease or whatever, but the front diff could definitely be a little bit thicker because it's diffing out hard on the turns. But man, it goes. Oh my God, this thing's awesome. All right, let's jump it. Oh yes, this is going to be awesome. Oh, so nice in the air. So nice in the air. Oops. Servo is a bit slow. I'm having to overcorrect the servo. And don't forget, we've only got a very lightweight servo in there as well. The fact that it's even turning those wheels at all is a miracle. It's doing it. Oh no, I've broken it already. No. Are you serious? Are you serious? Really? Are you serious? What broke? The link broke. Is that what happened? The link split. Yeah, okay. That has split right there. So it's popped out. I can pop it back in, but chances are it's going to pop out again. So the screw is still on there. So that screw, oh, the sun is not letting me see much. Yeah, oh, where are we? Here we go. So you can see the screw is still there, but that link has split. I put the link back in, and as you can see, it's all okay. I'm going to take it on a couple of jumps here. If it survives here, we'll go bigger. If it doesn't, it'll be really unfortunate that I have come all the way out here to drive this truck and it's lasted less than 5 minutes. So, and that wasn't a nasty hit, man. That should not have happened. I hope it holds. I hope it can hold. I hope it gives me enough to run the truck, at least do a decent video on it, and then I can go home and change out that servo, fix the links. Yeah, it's holding. It's holding. We're only on 4S too, by the way. We haven't done the big 6S yet. This thing is so fun to drive. It's so big. And it's so good. But I'm just, oh, I'm gutted. Absolutely gutted that that's happened. Okay, let's go bigger. Here we go. Will it hold? Will that link stay in place, or is this whole thing just going to be absolutely destroyed? It's okay. I suppose as long as I don't land awkwardly again, I'll probably be alright. I just don't want to lose a dog bone either. That's the only thing. I don't want to lose a dog bone. I spent 3 hours out here looking for it. Pretty good. So far so good. And the stupid thing is, it's one of those parts that's unique to the XL, because I got the X with me, so I can't just, you know, pinch a part out of the X, because that's a long link. Because this has got, you know, oh actually no, it's got extenders. Yeah, I probably could do, actually I'm wrong about that. Yeah, no, the links should be the same, the arms should be the same, it's just, this has got extenders on the, like hex extenders. So I should be able to pinch it off the X. Worst case scenario. But we'll see, it's holding up so far. Now I don't think this will have the power on 4S to do a backflip. But it does fly well. It does fly very well. Yeah, so I can fix the link. I should have done that before, I didn't even think. I thought, oh, it's a longer link than the X. But look, it's holding up. Okay, I'm enjoying myself again. I'm happy again. Ooh, ooh. That servo though. That servo is this truck's #1 enemy at the moment. Because like, if you need to correct it, it's too slow to center. So you see, I'm constantly overcorrecting the servo to try and line it up. You have to be so smooth with it. Otherwise, it just wants to constantly overcorrect. Here we go. Line it. Yeah. Big send. 4S, this thing does pretty well. We have a little bit of headwind. Man, I'm loving this truck. Absolutely loving this truck. Apart from that link, which should never have happened. Not on that. Oop, bumpers over the, sorry, the body's over the bumper. This is something that the X suffered from as well. Really annoying, I don't know. It happens to a few cars actually, not just singling out HPI or the Savage. It's happened to a few other cars in the past, but it's just annoying. Nothing major. Oh boy. Hey, we got it. We're good. Well, so far not many wheelies on 4S, so far. Oh yeah. Whoa. Oops. I did steer it. Yeah, see the servo, man. This thing. Steering is not a strong point here. Oh boy. Turn, come on. I'm surprised that link is holding on. I thought it would have popped out by now. This thing's got good power on 4S. Oh, big slap. You can tell the tyres are off balance, or are they coming unglued? Actually, I should check that. Are the tyres coming unglued, or are they dirty with sand and off balance? Let's investigate what's going on here. Because I want to see, because I had the same problem with the X. Yeah, look. See that? Unglued. So, yeah, same problem as the X. On the plus side, I did bring some spare tyres for this. So, what should we do? I think I'm going to finish it here for the 4S one. I'm going to finish it here. I'm going to go back. I'm going to swap tyres, put the X tyres on here, which are exactly the same. They're just not coming unglued. And I'll go and do a 6S video. For now, that is it. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll be speaking to you all next time.